This video will show you how to access Green Quarters booth in the MyAPEC 2020 virtual exhibition. First, go to www.myapec2020.matrade.gov.my/virtualexhibition. You will see the front page of the exhibition, which looks like this. Next, select Virtual Exhibition. Now you are in the virtual exhibition. Go to Professional and Business Services. And finally, you will be able to view our booth over here. You can also find our booth in the digital directory under Professional and Business Services. And finally, you can search for our name in the search bar. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit our booth in MyAPEC 2020, which will only be around until the 31st of December. Thank you!